I'm making it slow, and I'm running in the bands. I'm flash out, I'm selling tripping. I'm not gonna take that. Fuck what you want in the goddamn stand. Now fuck everybody in the goddamn. I'm making it slow, and I'm running in my bands. I'm flash out, I'm selling tripping. I'm not gonna take that. Fuck what you want in the goddamn stand. Now fuck everybody, I'm a goddamn cast out.
So we're here at Pez's house. We're gonna get these tires swapped on for me. And then we're also gonna go weld up this weird ass diff that was in his Corolla that didn't work. We still don't know what it's from.
A truck? A car? Who knows?
I know, right? Oh yeah. Check out our cool new stickers. So pretty.
Oh boy. Newsflash. Not a Corolla diff. Celica diff.
Oh yeah, it's not a Corolla diff. It's a Celica diff.
Blessing in disguise or curse. Whichever. Why do you have spam in the window?
It's an empty can.
Oh.
You have to ask.
This is welded number 2.
Oh yeah, your
We've
second
done this
welded.
before.
I'm on my second welded too.
Bro, but I didn't slide the first one. Let's remember that.
Oh yeah.
It didn't fit, so.
Oh yeah, that thing is
Hell
sick
yeah,
on.
brother.
Oh yeah, that's welded.
What the fuck? Like, this one went pro at like 16, 17.
Got all the tires on.
That's crazy.
That's tight.
Super juiced.
And he was like, yeah, I raised quarter midgets.
Holy shit, dude.
Okay.
That's fucking wow.
You know what those are? Those little fucking like sprint car looking
Oh,
things.
yeah. Those are dope, dude.
Yeah.
Those are dope,
Like
dude.
fucking street bike ones.
Yeah.
Super sick.
This guy.
I know. Finally all tired, all the wheels on. Super sick.
Yeah, all of them. Sweet.
Slow, and I'm running in my bands. I'm flash out, I'm selling tripping. I'm rocking my top out. Fuck what you want in the goddamn stand. Now fuck everybody, I'm a goddamn. I'm making it slow, and I'm running in my bands. I'm flash out, I'm selling tripping. I'm rocking my top out. Fuck what you want in the goddamn stand. Now fuck everybody, I'm a goddamn.
Oi! I like this scissor. I appreciate that. Yo, that was fucking gnarly as fuck, bro. risky motherfucking business, my niggas.
My shit's getting hot, bro.
Oh yeah, bro, that was fucking gnarly
My
shit.
shit's getting hot, bro.
Hot fucking lap.
So sick.
Guess what, bitch?
Oh, that was sketchy. Oh, fuck.